How to create private room in Stumble, guys. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on creating a private room in Stumble, guys, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, in order to create a private room in Stumble, guys, once you launch Stumble Guys game, this is the interface you will see. On the right hand side you can see this little option that says party. So all you have to do is just click on this party option right here, and here under create party you have two options. One is normal, one is custom. So normal is basically the standard gameplay where empty slots are filled via matchmaking and rewards can still be earned. Whereas in custom, it allows you to control options like game modes, maximum players up to 32, rounds, specific maps, and AI bots. Also note that custom matches do not grant regular progression rewards like crowns or XP. So you can simply select whichever it is that you want, and you have to click the create button to generate a unique room code which you can share with your friends, and that way you'll be able to create a private room in Stumble, guys. This way you can create a private room in Stumble, guys. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.